I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to change your Apple ID password. For that, first of all, open up your web browser. After you open up your web browser, go to www.apple.com on your search bar. This way you can easily land on Apple's website. Now you'll have to scroll all the way down, and there you'll see the option of account. Tap on it and then go to manage your Apple ID. To change your Apple ID password, first you'll have to log into your Apple account. Enter your Apple ID and your password. And when you're done, tap on the arrow. Now you'll receive a verification code on your phone number. Enter your verification code. After you log into your Apple ID, there you can see the option of security. Tap on it. On top, you'll see the option of change password. Tap on it. After you tap on it, now you'll have to enter your current password, your new password, and retype your new password to confirm it. You'll have to make sure that your password must have 8 or more characters, upper and lowercase letters, and at least one number. After you're done, tap on change. After you have changed your password, you'll receive an email from Apple. This way you can easily change your Apple ID password. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.